it's not just flour. I mean, you have it on your shelf and you think, well, I have a pack of flour there, I will use it, tonight I will do some fresh pasta, I will do some pizza. No, flour is not the same because organic makes a difference.
Italy is a leader in the milling sector. We produce flours that are diverse, safe, reliable, and in a world that is faced with so many challenges, even in terms of food security, I believe that it is of the utmost importance to acknowledge, to support, to promote these kind of initiatives and to promote our food industry. Italy is known all over the world for pizza, pasta, bread, and we couldn't have this kind of dishes, these delicacies, without the main ingredient, which is flour. But not just a flour, we have to look for the finest to have an excellent produce. ITALMOPA is representing this excellency here tonight.